Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will do a quick intro on the factorization by special products of algebraic expression. So this is one particular method that we can make use of, and we have these three special products. And what do you notice? Yes, I hope you notice that there are numbers that are square. So square numbers are the hint that we might just be able to use these special products to factorize an expression. So thank you for watching this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.